What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another Dedshot video. We're here at Lozano Golf Course in Corpus. You know it's me, we got my boy Dub, and then we got two special guests here. We got Alexis and Joy in the car next to us. And yeah, we're excited here to bring out another video. On today's video's challenge, I guess, we're gonna do worst ball. So me and Dub, obviously the worst ball out of us two, which everybody keeps saying it's me every video. So we'll be using that ball.
Should be interesting.
Yeah, it should be interesting. I'm excited for it. I hope y'all are too. But yeah, let's get right into it.
And I'm addicted to champagne. Fuck the road, we ride a whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang.
That is worst ball.
Oh no.
I didn't see it at all.
Oh, it's still, we're good. The wind held it up. Alright guys, remember we're doing worst ball here, so
Might have to take mine if it's worse. Which isn't too bad.
That's what happened to mine. No, it's not. Worse shit.
hey, mine actually might be worse.
It went in the dirt.
Okay, so well, we're doing worst ball and somehow we both hit it in the same spot, so too bad. Should be good. Alright, using a 3-wood here. And just to get a nice little straight drive.
Oh, hit the tree.
Yeah, I hit the tree shot here.
Maybe it came back, yeah.
Oh, that would have been perfect. Yeah, that would have been perfect. These boys can't find their ball. It's not way over there. He has what, the smile? Oh, are they looking for his? Or are they looking for? Oh no. This is not good.
Yeah, I didn't know what to do there. Uh-oh. Right side. Bouncing in. Stay dry. Oh, it's right up there. Right at the bank, yeah.
Oh no. Alright guys, we're scratching the worst ball challenge because we're just not good. That was just a bad. We'll erase that whole fucking hole.
This hole was a mess.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna scratch that challenge because there's just way too many people out here. And we just took way too long. So we're gonna switch it up and we're just gonna do alternate shots. So basically I go first, you go second, and then we'll switch it up. And that way it's not taking forever. Yeah, we're basically one ball. Alright guys, so Dub's gonna start off first on this one. Oh no.
No.
Oh my god, it almost went over. No, I'm not hitting. It's like our golf cart, like slow. I don't know. We've never played this golf course either, so like, I don't know, I feel weird. It's like those guys that.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to do my best to at least put it on the green. At least we can get a par, hopefully.
Yeah.
Wind's blowing. Actually, wind's blowing hard straight. You think the ball will carry?
It might, but
I don't think a 7. The 7 should be good, huh?
yeah, 7 should be good. A stock 7. I think that was the right number, just
Yeah.
to the left.
Yeah.
Not bad.
So I think we do need to low-key slow our tempo down a little bit. I think we're a little bit in a rush mode.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just felt good.
Feels off.
Yeah, something. Maybe because it's a new course, new area, new people.
Yeah, I think we're just literally confused.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll be okay. I think once we kind of get it figured out. Whoa. The brakes are freaking good. Yep. Oh, get up, get up. Nice. Come on, baby, don't take that. Let's go.
I'm not sure how the greens are running.
They look pretty thick, huh?
A little bit,
Oh, they're
yeah.
turf.
Really? Gotta go.
Not going, the turf's holding it up.
I wouldn't have shot for the rest of the day. I would have just I would have ended it on that.
Nice, there we go.
Rocky start.
Yeah.
Start.
It's just feel ugly. Feel ugly today.
Can't let it get worse.
Yeah. The thing about it is, like, I don't know where the group in front of us is at.
Yeah.
Like, these courses that have crazy dogs. What is
This
this?
next one is a dog with right.
Yeah, so over the water. I'm assuming that
There,
way.
yeah.
So they're on the green then. Is that them on green? Alright, so this time is my turn to drive.
Damn, bro, that's my lucky ball.
That was good though. That's crazy because the wind's blowing in. I'm surprised to hit that ball. Actually blowing right, huh?
Yeah, like
Because last time we played, I was
Straight
swinging hard as fuck. This time I'm not swinging that hard. Yeah, no.
just get over.
Water.
Water?
Oh, I didn't see no splash.
Can't tell. Oh, the wind held that bitch up.
Yeah, I thought that was farther than it was. We're not trying to go.
Yeah, we're not. Get some water. You know, man, if I think if mine went in the water, the turtles would have moved. It didn't fucking move. What is he using? All right, baby, come on. How far are we out?
168.
Remember, there's a water right there to your left. So if you want to try to play it safe, try to play either right at the hole to the right. Wind's carrying hard right. So hopefully you should be okay. Oh no. Oh God. What happened right there?
Oh man, thinned it. Didn't hit it pure.
Oh. So yeah, I was practicing with Alexis and this is what I was practicing on. So hopefully it shows.
Do it. Where did you hit it at?
All right, come on.
Nice.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's get back in the game. Let's get back in this game.
Should be a tap in.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're right here, right next to the hole. Should be an easy tap in for dubs.
Come on, baby.
Come on, baby. There it is. Come on. Come on. Par 3. This is where we shine. This is our bread and butter.
Greens 173. Where's the ball?
Straight in.
By June, I'm gonna be a fucking all-star.
Oh no. The wind did not pull that at all.
Damn. How come that always happens? We play wind and then
Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Your ball's playable.
Yeah, it should be right here. I'm getting more nervous now.
I'm telling you, I don't know what it is.
Like the alternate.
This guy got have that good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, that's what makes the alternate, baby.
Yeah, you're good.
Alright, so the sand here. It's our second shot.
Yeah, skid up.
Alright, come on, baby. Come on, let's go. Come on, give me a shot. Let's go, come on. That's all we could ask for. That's all we could ask for. Alright, baby, come on. No! Bro, these are so bouncy. They're so bouncy. These are so bad. Oh. Yeah.
Still got some meat on there.
Nice.
Is that boats?
Dub.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's the turfs. I mean, I don't want to use excuses.
Bermuda.
God damn it.
Well, whatever it is, fucking hard. Should take the flag out.
That was better.
Yeah.
Better hope. Gotta get a groove, get a groove.
We just gotta get the putting down. We gotta try to make some adjustments here, especially with now that we know that. Well, it says Bermuda grass. We don't know what the fuck that is.
There we go. Stay dry, stay dry. Bounce off the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. Where was it? Oh, his ball's right there in the middle. Nice.
Yeah, Joey did good.
I don't know. I kind of want to say play the wind, but don't play the wind.
I think if I hit it low enough, it might be. But I don't really know how to.
Look at all the range balls in this dirt. They're everywhere.
Oh, it's just that.
I think the dirt that they're fixing. Okay. I lost it.
Chunked it a little bit. Straight ahead.
Straight shot?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Yeah.
All right. Safe.
Little chunky, little chunky. But
We'll take those.
went a ways.
Low-key, we both know that my chipping is pretty far out, pretty good.
Yeah, you're doing good today.
Low-key, I just a sand wedge. You put away the pitching wedge. Oh no. I gotta get... Oh, Keezy, are we feeling maybe a Texas wedge here or no?
Should be good unless you feel confident.
Yeah. Nice. Come on. That's what,
Didn't move.
that's what we should have did the first time, low key, huh?
Yeah. I'm just gonna shoot it.
Think left to right a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit. I pulled it.
I should have listened to you the first time. I should have just chipped it in. I mean, putted it in. I literally just made a reel on Texas wedges. And I fucking went away from my Texas wedge.
Now we know.
Are you a morning shitter?
No.
You're not a morning shitter? I don't think I can start off my day without having my morning shits. Like I wake up and my stomach, yeah. 2 par 5s back to back? Did you see that? The blue and the green are 537, but obviously they're not 537.
What the heck?
I lost it.
Right there. Straight ahead. Yeah, right in front of the other tee box.
In front of the other tee box? So I didn't go that far.
Yeah, I went straight up.
I think he did hit the ground a little bit. I don't think if he did, it would have went. I mean, he pieced that shit up though.
Yeah.
Damn, these are good ass cups. I just still full. Cold ass water.
Yeah, there was 3 on us. I mean, nice. Stay right.
The wind's like holding it up. I feel like I pieced that. Right? Sound like I did, huh?
It sounded good, yeah. I think it's still in play.
Yeah, I think we're still good. Should be like a little left to the car path. I think, hold on. I say you aim right because you're on this hill like this. So you're at an angle. So if you hit it straight, it's gonna curve off this way because you're already at an angle left. See what I'm?
That way?
Yeah, so I hit it kind of hard right, almost like in PGA, if that makes sense.
Okay.
Because the way you hit it, it should come back left.
Kind of went straight. Yeah, I didn't go back left.
Dang, you pieced that up too.
But I think we have a decent angle.
For a nice little chip on.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe I just need to stop talking whenever you go play it. Because everything I do, everything I tell you, just goes opposite. I gotta go down right, so I want to try to hit on the left side.
Nice. That might be perfect.
Come on, baby. Come on, come on. Oh, yes.
Come on, we just need to get in the groove. Let's go.
Oh, Sandy, baby.
Got a birdie left.
You made a star, now we're apart. There's nothing left for me. Love has flown all alone. I sit, I wonder why you left me. Oh, Sandy.
Yep.
We're good for bogues. Just tap it all in. There it is. Sorry, Dub. That could have been our birdie, and I just fucked it up.
Nah.
Maybe what everybody says on YouTube is just right.
Stop. No. No. Just gotta get in the groove.
You drive better, you putt better, but I do chip better.
It's alright, got a good kick.
Hey, are we surprised?
Wait, did your set come with the putter too or no?
Yeah, it came with everything.
Oh shit.
Full club set.
Did you?
Yep.
Where's that one at?
Red one. Only been swinging. Only been using.
But it's red.
I know, because you broke my other one.
That one was red too.
It's blue.
It's blue.
Remember you and John? Hit the pop painkiller.
You heard it?
Yeah, I'm tight. That's why I'm low-key kind of scared too to hit, like really swing. Whoa, what did he use? What are you feeling here?
I feel you. Put it in.
What do you think? Alright guys, I'm using the Texas wedge here, because you know that's what I love to use. We're about 30 yards out. I don't trust my chips from here, so.
Should try to get over that hill.
What? Welcome to another Dub carry video. Name's Dedshot. That's Dub. He carries me in every match. Nice. Oh, Dub.
I like the way it sounds like.
Bro, that's probably your best drive ever. That was right down the middle.
That, man. We were due.
Should just be called the Dub channel. Not even the Dedshot Golf channel. There's no I in team, but there is in Dub, so. Should hit you up? I was not driving. There you go. It's alright, we'll take that. Nice.
Do your thing.
Nice. I hit it.
Get up. On the fringe.
Spin.
On the fringe. On the fringe.
Oh, come on.
Not bad.
Okay, alright. Here. Shit.
And the line on the putter, just hit it straight.
See a little left.
A little, but I lined the ball up for you to where, yeah, just hit it, yeah. With goods, not too much speed, but
Good?
yeah. Oh! Good putt.
Oh.
Tap that baby in. Tap that. Good putt, bro. That was good speed.
That sucks.
Maybe if it flags out, I don't know. Couldn't be.
Straight.
Really?
That was a good one.
Nice.
Not the bad.
I need it right there. I'm not gonna lie,
You were
going into
due.
the next-
You were due.
Yeah. I was a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie, 'cause I thought I was gonna hit this motherfucker.
I know, it was like, it like snap hooked. It's kind of cool.
Okay, not bad. We're okay. Oh, this shit feels good, low key.
Oh, be good. Not bad. Gotcha. Should be good there. Really?
Boom! Come on, baby. Let's fucking play. Come on. Let's go. That's how we end the video, baby.
And now, addicted to champagne. Fuck the road.
Love is wrong. All alone. I said, I wouldn't know why you left me.